Welcome back, citizens. In this video, I will show you how many people are needed to have a sustainable biogas production when you opt to integrate the biogas digester to your septic tank. It shows here that 40 people are needed to have a sustainable biogas production for a single household. Thus, this is not practical to be installed in a household with 5 to 6 members, but this might be practical to a communal toilet like in the plaza or in malls. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I have imparted you some information about biogas sizing. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, or share to your friends.